In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Quantower with Apex. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Quantower, and then up here, you're going to see a bunch of different connection options. Click on the Rhythmic one, or whatever it says over here, and if it doesn't say Rhythmic, just search for Rhythmic in here, click on it, and then that's a very important part we're going to do right now. Where it says Server, you want to make sure you click on over here, and whatever it says, you want to select Apex. So, of course, you have to select your relevant Apex server. So for example, for me, it would be the Apex Chicago area. Click on that over here, or whatever any of these you are basically using. And then here, put in your username and your password, so your login credentials, press on connect, and then you'll be able to basically connect and set up your Apex account together with Quantower using Rhythmic, okay? Because as we all know, Apex uses Rhythmic to usually connect to these platforms such as Quantower. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.